And now, marine weather around Alaska.
For Saturday, look for west winds at 15 to 20 knots on the south coast. Central coast south to southwest at 15 knots. Variable at 10 for the north coast. Lynn Canal south at 15, south 20 for Stevens Passage, southeast 20 knots for Clarence Strait. And for Sunday, inside waters, variable winds at 10 knots, south to southeast 10 knots to 10 to 15 knots for the south coast here. 10-foot seas there, east at 20 with 9-foot seas for the north coast. Cook Inlet, northeast winds at 10 knots, northwest 20 to 25 knots for Kamishak Bay and the Barren Islands. Prince William Sound, east at 10, east-southeast at 15 for the eastern North Gulf Coast, western North Gulf Coast, northeast at 15. And for the North Gulf Coast on Sunday, variable winds 10 to 15 knots, northeast at 10 for Prince William Sound. Lighter northwest winds now for the Barren Islands, Kamishak Bay, 15 to 20 in those areas, northeast at 10 for Cook Inlet. Kodiak Island, northwest 20 to 25 knots for Saturday, northwest 25 for Bristol Bay, northwest 25 for the Alaska Peninsula. And then for Sunday, northeast at 15 for Bristol Bay, northeast 15 to 25 knots for the Alaska Peninsula, and northwest at 10 to 15 for Kodiak Island. Eastern Aleutians tomorrow, north to northwesterlies 20 to 25 knots. Now we've got gale warnings from Atka Island westward for southeast winds of 40 to 50 knots. And then for Sunday, those strong winds push farther to the east. We've got gale and storm force winds in the forecast for much of the central and western Aleutians, anywhere from east to northeast at 45 to 50 knots. And for the eastern Aleutians, east winds at 30 to 40 knots. For the southwest coast, northwest winds 25 knots, seas 6 feet. St. Lawrence Island, northwest at 25, northwest 25 for Norton Sound with 6-foot seas. Northwest 20 for the Pribilofs. West winds 20 knots, seas 7 feet for St. Matthew Island. And for Norton Sound on Sunday, northeast at 15, northeast 15 for St. Lawrence Island, north at 15 for the Yukon Delta coast, northeast at 20 for the Kuskokwim Delta coast, and small craft advisories for St. Matthew Island as well as the Pribilofs for northeast winds at 25 knots. And for the Chukchi Sea, north to northwest winds 25 to 30 knots, north at 15 for the western Arctic coast. Central coast, light north wind at 10, and for the eastern Beaufort Sea coast, west-northwest winds 10 to 20 knots.